grade 5/1 and grade 5/2. This is teacher Eisen, and today I want to teach you a new chapter, a new topic, and it's called water source and its uses. Unfortunately, I can't see you, but it's okay, you can see me. So let's go to the topic, okay? Water source and its uses. So water source means where does the water come from, okay? So I think you know where does the water come from. So let's see, what is a water source, okay? So it is a place on earth with a lot of water, right? Where there's a lot of water. There are many kinds of water source, like ocean, sea, river, lakes. Let's see the picture here. So ocean, it could be a river, pond, lakes, and streams, okay? Those are where water comes from. And then, so water is a natural resources. We don't create it. It cannot be created. It's just found naturally. And it covers 3/4 of the earth's surface, meaning out of 4, 3 is water. Okay, let's see here, okay? Now look at this picture. So the red color represents land, and then this green color represents water. It is 75%, and land is 25%. That means 1 out of 3. All right. So that's it. Okay. So we'll go back again. So we have here. There are 2 main types of water. The first one is salt water and fresh water. So salt water means salty, right? It's salty, and the examples are ocean and sea, and it constitute 97% of the water, okay, on all the water. Whereas the fresh water, that is, fresh water means which you can drink, which we can use for your field, for the plants. Whereas the salt water, you can't use it for plants or drink, right? So example, rivers, streams, and lakes, glaciers, ice sheets, those are ice and groundwater under the water, and swamps, and it constitutes 2.5% of the water. All right, so that's a fresh water. So now we move to the next question. So how do we use water and conserve it? Okay, how do we use water? How do we use and conserve it? Okay, so water is because it's so important. Water is the most important resource because we need it. We need so many things, so many ways. But there's only a small amount of fresh water, not much fresh water. Remember, only 2.5 that we can use. So we need to use it very carefully, very wisely. All right. So how do we? So there are ways of using carefully. There are 6 points here. Okay. So the first one is fill water in a basin to wash this. Let's see. Okay. So we're gonna use this. The first one is we go down here. So fill the water in a basin to wash. You save water. Okay. Right. So let's go back. Now the second one is turn off the tap tightly after use. All right. Yeah, we have to turn it very tightly. Now the second ways to use water carefully is number 2, turn off the tap tightly after use. Okay, so we have here, let's go to not that one. So whenever you use water, please close it tightly, that water do not leak it. Okay, so that's one of them. And let's see number 3, use of shower head, not a bathtub. Okay, because when you use the bathtub, you are using lots of water. So you're going to use this to save water, right? Now let's go to the 4th one. Use a watering can, okay, and not hose. Now can means you're using this one, okay? Instead of spraying with a pipe, which we are going to use lots of water, just use this can, water can, all right? And then what do you have? The 5th one, use of cup when brushing your teeth. Okay, means don't just let the water flow freely. Okay, that's it. So you put the water on the mug or cup and then keep brushing, right? So you save water. Okay, and then finally, the 6th, not the final one thing, gather enough clothes per wash. Meaning, when you're washing clothes, here we go. Okay, plenty. When you're washing clothes, bring at a time lots of clothes. Okay, don't bring one by one, like little by little, so that you save water. That's interesting. Okay, these are in African countries and Indian countries maybe. Okay, now here we go. So gather. Okay, right? You got enough clothes to wash. Okay, so that's it. And then what do we have? Now, the next one is ways to conserve water. How do we conserve water? How do we do? Okay, the first point is plant trees. Okay, because the roots of trees absorb water and store water. Right? Here we go. So plant trees. Yeah, these people are planting trees. That's one way. Okay, and then the second is stop water pollution. That means do not throw garbage or waste near any water source. Right? So like this. Okay, do not throw. It spoils the water and it pollutes the water and it's a waste. Right? And then next one is number 3 is add water source. Okay, add water source. Let's go to see the picture. You are saving water by making canals. Okay, you are saving water. All right. So that's it. So that's the final thing. So that's how would you save the water. And so hopefully we'll go for another chapter next time. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed. And any questions, please ask me. And then we'll go ahead for the next chapter. Thank you all. Right? Bye.